Mr. Director, the recent revelation of the NSA data collection programs has led to a great deal of debate both in Congress and in the public. I know there is very little you may be able to say in a public setting, but to the extent you can, please explain to this committee why you think these programs are important and how they protect the American people from terrorism. Do you share the concerns of many members of Congress, including myself, and American citizens, that civil liberties need to be protected in the operation of these programs?
Well, let me start by saying that the challenge in a position such as I have held for the last 11 years is to balance, on the one hand, the security of the nation, and on the other hand, the civil liberties that we enjoy in this country. And there is not a day that goes by that we don't look at some issue that raises that balance. One of the things we do insist upon and assure, and that is any endeavor we undertake addressing national security is legal. In this particular case, the programs to which you refer, the legality has been assured by the Department of Justice. The FISA court has ruled on these two programs, monitors these two programs, and again, has assured the legality of the efforts undertaken in these two programs. And lastly, I will say, in response to what the Ranking Member Conyers said in terms of a debate, Congress has been briefed, as has been pointed out, has been briefed over the years, was briefed prior to the 2009 re-up, was briefed before the 20,000 re-up, in an effort by the administration to make certain that Congress knew and understand the efforts that were being undertaken under Section 215. And if there were a change to be made by Congress, if the line is to be drawn differently, so be it. We would follow that to the letter of the law. But I repeat that in both of these programs passed by Congress, they have been approved and the legality assured by the Department of Justice, by the FISA court, and had been briefed. And
let me interrupt you because we do need to get a couple more questions in, and I think you've made your point on that, and there'll be sure further discussion about it before the day ensues.